You can make 10 million naira a month as a fashion designer. I can assure you that. And if you want to make 10 million naira a month, let me give you a very, very basic formula. How much do you make your senator outfit? I'm going to use the base number. Let's say you make your senator outfit for 20,000 naira for a single senator. Now you want to make 10 million naira, right? Just take your 10 million naira now, divide it by how much you make a senator outfit. That is the amount of people you need. So basically, in a rough estimation, if you want to make 10 million naira a month, all you have to do is to divide your 20,000 naira divided by 10 million naira. That will give you 500. That means you need 500 people in order to make 10 million naira a month. Okay, let me come down a little bit. Let me come lower. Let me just say you want to make just 1 million naira a month. All you need is to divide your 20,000 naira per senator outfit or per shirt or per any product you're selling, divided by the amount in which you want. For 1 million naira divided by 20k, that will give you 50 people. All you need is just 50 people. But now you have just two options as a fashion designer. If you're watching me closely, let me come closer so that you can get the point. Now, as a fashion designer, you have just two options. The number one option
It's either you sit down in your office, in your shop, or your showroom and wait for 500 people to walk in and give you their clothes to sew for you, or
you find them. That is a different question entirely, and I'm going to share light on all of these parts. Number two option is that you go out to find these people. Now, based on the branch of the option I just give you, is either these people give you their clothes to sew, or the second branch is that you understand the concept of ready to wear. Ready to wear. So now the question is, how do you get into the concept of ready to wear so that you can actually predict and sell? And the concept of predicting and selling is that you have the 500 clothes down in accordance to individual measurements, and you can easily find the people that fit the clothes that you have down. So it is predictable and easy for you to make 10 million naira a month, depending on how heavy you could push out and get people to buy it. Now, the whole fundamental of ready to wear is a branch on its own entirely. And I'm going to host a class this Friday. We had a class on starting a ready to wear business previously with over 1,000 people in the group. I'm going to share the link below. So click on the link, go to the WhatsApp group and join. It's going to come on this coming Friday. If you're interested in having the knowledge of how to do ready to wear, I think you should at least just you have nothing to lose. Just click the link, go to the class and get access to the information that you need in order to in order to have better options of making as much money as you can. You have to understand how to get people to buy from you, how to understand the measurement aspect of ready to wear, how to go ahead and structure your collection and brand, how to angle yourself, how to know the niche in which you want to even get into, like the niche of ready to wear, because there are several niches. You can decide to just work for female, you can decide to just work for male, you can decide to work for children, you can only decide to work on trouser or joggers or short or shirt, or you can even do unisex. There are so many branches of ready to wear that you can fall into. That is why I'm making this video. You should click the link below, get access to the class, and I'm going to share all of the information in which you need in order to get into the business of ready to wear. If you're interested, go ahead and click the link, and I will see you in the class. There's so much to learn, because if you have the good understanding and you can easily target an amount, let's say you want to target 50 million, 100 million, you see, there's nothing you cannot target. Let's say you want to target 100 million. All you need is to get the capital to start. But in this class, I'm going to make it a budget friendly class whereby you can start with a minimum of 20,000. And I'm going to share with you how to scale up, how to scale to 1,000 pieces, how to scale to 100 pieces, gradually going up and putting back the money, putting back the profit and going up. It's not as difficult as you think. And I can assure you, wheresoever you're watching this video, this is where the market is. Fashion is where the market is. People are looking up to like this angle right now that you can get into it as early as possible before the doors start to, but actually the door cannot close. There's a lot you can start anytime, but I can assure you the earlier the better. The earlier you get into this business, the more you get into the nook and corners of how to go about it, how to search for customer, how to meet people, how to tell people about your product, how to position yourself in the market, in the ready to wear market, and so on and so forth. So if you're interested, click the link below right now and get access to the class. I will be expecting you and I'll be waiting for you. So go ahead, click the link below. It's a WhatsApp group. I'm using WhatsApp because I believe everybody use WhatsApp. Literally everybody use WhatsApp. So I will see you in the class. See you. All right.